topic to start playing. Terrestrial animals. The animals are sad. Let's help them. Move the animals to their carts. Try another one. Try another one. That's right. It's a bear. Well done. Yes, it's a hare. Yay! You got all the animals.
Boom buggy, boom buggy. Bawa na muna.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animals. Good girl. Well done. Well done. A hare eats carrots. What a job you did. You fed all the animals. Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Yes, that's the hare's house. Right, that's the bear's house.